Today I will present you with the KG200Z EVB Kit. Hi everyone, it's Matej from Kvektel. Today I will present you with the KG200Z EVB Kit, an outstanding evaluation kit with high-performance, ultra-low power KG200Z module supporting LoRa. The EVB kit features multiple interfaces including power supply interfaces, power switch and reset button, USB connector, RF connector, test points and 7 status LEDs. KG200Z supports long-range wireless transmission applications, has ultra-low power consumption and high receiver sensitivity. This module has the advantages of strong anti-interference, high sensitivity, stable network connection, good transmission performance, low cost, easy deployment and can be used across a diverse range of smart IoT applications. Also, this module has a feature of firmware upgrade via USB. We have packed all the accessories you need so you can quickly start developing and testing your custom smart IoT application. Let's dive in and explore the evaluation kit. This kit contains EVB, Quick Start Guide, LoRa antenna, nuts and bolts, micro USB Type-C cable. Now let's get more familiar with the main elements of the KG200Z EVB. Here we can see the KG200Z module. Boot jumper used to control the module download mode. RF SMA connector. 5 status LEDs indicating GPIO power statuses. Reset button. USB Type-C power supply interface and main module UART. USB to UART bridge IC with its power status indicator. VBAT power status indicator. Power switch VBAT on-off control. Mounting holes for the standoffs. Let's first attach standoffs so the EVB is easier to operate. After that, we will connect the antenna to the EVB. The first thing we need to do is to install the driver so we can communicate with our module. In order to do that, we are going to visit Silicon Labs website, download, unpack and install CP210X drivers. Let's now connect and turn on our EVB. First, we connect the USB connectors of the EVB to the PC with the USB cable. To switch it on, we need to set the power switch to the on position. Great, we have successfully powered our module. To find out more about Kvektel's KG200Z EVB kit, visit kvektel.com, contact your regional sales team or our channel partners.